Hi. It's been a long time, and today is Halloween. So, recently also I did share this experience of mine when I was way too younger. I don't know if it even classifies to be a horror experience or it was me and my friend, like us in fourth grade, trying to hype things up. But this incident that me and my friend Shashwati are going to narrate in the next segment it happened pre-COVID and it's still so fresh. Like, it was, I don't know, like, I can't even explain. But also, one TMI, like, disclaimer your ears might bleed in the next segment because we randomly decided to record this in the middle of the park with, all the kids playing and howling around. So the audio might be a little terrible. I tried editing it out, but I liked it way, better when it was just a raw clip. So here it goes. Here goes nothing.
Yeah, okay.
Introduce yourself.
Hi, I'm Shashwati and Punya and I stay in the same apartment. Yeah, so there was this one time during Halloween.
Yeah, so basically it was raining
Yeah,
terribly, like terrible. And like she wanted to go take the picture of the rain, I don't know, lightning and
because it
stuff.
looked really cool.
Yeah, so we went randomly to the 16th floor of our apartment and yeah, we took our
Yeah,
pictures and like whatever.
yeah. We watched the lightning, the rain, and everything. And then the current was flickering. Yeah, it
Shit.
kept it kept coming and going. So like
Yeah,
we kind of thought, okay, yeah, let's leave this place because it was shady.
it was. And now is when things start to get weird. Like as soon as we stepped into the lift, the light went, like the current was out. So we were on the 16th floor. So we were like, okay, let's just go down the steps once the light recovered. And we have two fire exits,
Yeah.
like the fire staircases in our apartment. And like there are 20 floors, right? So what they do is the first 10 floors they light up fire exit 1, and the next 20 floors they light the fire
Next,
exit
yeah,
2.
yeah.
So we had to switch fire exits in
In
between.
between, yeah. So we randomly decided to get out on the 10th floor and take the other fire exit because the lights started going out in the first fire exit. Yeah,
Because of rains and stuff, it
yeah,
was messy.
yeah. And like we kept going down the stairs, and all of a sudden, there's this one picture of Mother Mary, that just was there. It was just
It
there.
was so random, like so random. Like there's a
Yeah.
shaft opposite the lift in our apartment, and I imagine getting out of the lift, like if you were in the lift and watching that, like seeing
Yeah.
that as the first thing, and like what are the odds that we switched floors over there,
Exactly. Yeah.
even though we were supposed to switch somewhere else,
Exactly.
right?
Yeah.
We ran down 10
Shit, yeah.
floors. Oh
And no,
shit.
it wasn't just any normal Mother Mary picture. It was this picture of Mother Mary who had bloodshot eyes, and like the eyes just kept following you around. So it was like really scary.
Yeah, like that night gave me nightmares for
Yeah,
a
shit. I
while.
still can't forget that.
Dude, like, I think running down those 10 floors was the
Yeah,
most strenuous activity
yeah.
I've done in my
It
life.
was honestly, I blacked out. After I saw the portrait,
Yeah,
I don't remember how I got down. I just reached the ground floor.
I know.
Yeah.
Shit. But it was fun, like,
It was fun. It was thrilling.
yeah, like now we joke about it, but still, if you
That
tell me
day,
I
yeah,
can't go up
shit.
that floor
I'd
alone at
never go
least.
back to that block again.
Yeah, like we might try if we are feeling daring
Yeah,
someday, but not
yeah,
anytime soon.
yeah.
Yeah. So I think that's about it.
Okay, yes, bye.
So I think that's about it for this segment. I'll just summarize it for you in case the previous audio was too bad for you to hear, thanks to the random children who contributed. So basically what happened was it was raining one evening and that evening happened to be Halloween somehow. And my friend and I we decided to go to one of the top floors of our building and capture the, images of lightning and rain and stuff. So while coming back, as soon as we stepped into the elevator, the current went out. Like we were lucky. Like we just stepped in and the current went out. So we decided that once the current was restored, we would walk down instead of taking the risk of, going through the elevator. So as mentioned, there are two fire exits, and we are supposed to switch in between because to save electricity and stuff, they light up the first half of fire exit A and the second half of fire exit B. So we were supposed to switch. I just reheard the clip and realized we mentioned the wrong floors. So we were supposed to switch at fire exit, floor 10, but we switched on floor 7 because I don't know, there were extra lights on and stuff. And randomly, like so randomly, there was this picture, this portrait of Mother Mary. Like, it was unexpected, obviously. And just imagine randomly on some random floor of some random building, you find this image, and what are the odds we went to that particular block, that particular floor, and I can't even emphasize more on this. So basically, that's what happened, and we freaked out and we ran down the remaining floors. It was strenuous, it was haunting, but it was fun. Like now we joke about it, still do, did back then. But I think that was about it. Like, do you imagine we are teenagers and still we freaked out? So I hope you can imagine how messed up the image was. And it wasn't this normal saintly image. It was, I don't know, devil type image. Not if, what am I saying? But like, you get the idea, right? So yeah, I'll see you next time. And also the previous incident that I mentioned of like me in fourth grade with my friends, that's in the episode 7 of this podcast, which is called Just for the Record. That's episode 7, so you could check that out as well. And I will see you next time. Bye.